Okay, good morning. Today we're gonna learn Haitian Creole. This is a really quick video for you guys that are learning Haitian Creole. I wanna teach you some basic greeting expressions with the real native speaking, abilities. So in the morning, basically in Haiti, like in the United States and other countries, basically, you say good morning, good morning. So in Haitian Creole, you say bonjour, bonjour, not bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. This is in the morning. In the afternoon, the evening, you say bonsoir, bonsoir. And then for feral expressions, generally in English and in Haitian Creole, you can say bon la nuit. So Haitian Creole is a very dynamic language you can learn because it's very easy to learn, it's very accessible. Once you speak English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Russian, it's very easy, it's very accessible. That language, that tongue, the flexibility of the grammar, the morphology, and everything is very easy in Haitian Creole. So this YouTube channel is for you guys that are learning Haitian Creole. We're doing videos in English explaining the mechanism behind the language, the linguistic mechanism behind this language, Haitian Creole. And then we're going to talk about the Haitian culture in general, okay? So I'm in Haiti. Almost all my videos are going to be in the street, in open air, where I am going to be learning, things, and I'm going to be teaching you new things as well, because there are a lot of things that I still need to discover in my culture, in the language itself. So I hope that you take care and subscribe to my channel and my account, and follow with me in this beautiful and wonderful, mysterious journey that we're about to do. So take care. Bye bye.